Why would you want to create a view? I can think of a lot of reasons, but to me the most important reason is for convenience. I can create a view and very quickly I can use it in a select statement like I would use a table, and I can extract not just data but meaningful information. Let me explain a little bit about a view. This is a standard view. It's very dynamic. It occupies very little space on disk. The only portion of the view which is stored is the definition itself. At the time that a view is used, like I said, in a select statement, the definition is retrieved from the system tables. The data tables that were used, that the view was created on, that data is retrieved from disk. The whole is assembled as a virtual table for output. It's not a persistent display. You can save the output to a file, and in that respect it persists, but it doesn't persist on disk as part of the database. So let's go ahead and I'll show you my technique for creating a view. The first thing I have to describe and define is what should this view show. In this case, I want to show an entire order from the CIAC database. So first of all, I have to go and find the source data. And I know that the order information or order data is stored between two tables, order header and order detail. My order header data looks like this. My order detail data looks like this. And I want to be able to see in one row of return from a view exactly what was ordered, who ordered it, where did it go to, and how many. So I'm going to join order header and order table, and I'm going to get this output, which isn't a bad start, but like what was ordered, my cookie ID isn't telling me anything. So I have to get more source data from the cookie table and add that to the join. And now, yeah, okay, I'm getting some cookie type information. That's great. But okay, I said I want to find out who sold the order. So I'm going to go to the scout table, include that in the join statement. And now I've got some scout names. That's getting good. I'm almost there. Who is the purchaser? Who's the customer? Let me go to the customer table, get that information, and all right, now I have what I want. But I've got all this extra stuff in here that I don't really need. So I'm going to modify the output, and I'm going to also create this calculated column that gives me a line item total. And this statement right here is going to do that for me. The date it was ordered, expected delivery date, what was ordered, how many, the price per box, the line item total, who sold it, and where it's to be delivered, to whom it's to be delivered. That's a lot of code to write, so I'm going to create this view, and I just now have to say select star from the cookie orders. My naming convention is such that views are preceded with a V, so I know by looking at the name of whatever's in the from clause whether it's a table or a view, and that's all I have to do. When I said go on that, it just compiled the information, assembled it, and reported it dynamically. What can I do with this view? Generate a full sales report by salesperson and product sold. What did one of the salespeople named Heather sell? And if I wanted to drop that view, all I have to do is go ahead and drop the view with this command. And that's it for now.